Hello guys, let's get started with today's video. First, take the hair strand like this, and after taking it, you have to simply make it in this manner, and after making it like this, you can simply place them all together. Now make braids first from the top end, and then another braid has to be made in this manner. Now simply cross them and see how perfectly they all look. Simply make a bun like this. First, you have to take the hair follicle like this, and after taking the hair follicle, you have to make braid in this manner. And after making the braid, you just have to overlap it in this position and see how perfectly they look. Now first you have to make your hairs in two equal parts, and then you have to start drawing the braid or making the braid in this manner. After making braid, you have to overlap them in this position. Simply make a bun like this. Take the hair follicles from the top and divide the remaining parts of hair into two equal parts. After that, you simply have to cross them all together and see how perfect this bun looks. Now make a ponytail and divide it into three equal parts. After dividing it into three equal parts, you have to cross them and overlap them in this specific manner. See how perfect this looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this.